In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make industrial outdoor chair in SketchUp. Simple industrial outdoor chair in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make a rotated rectangle for basic shape. We can set the basic shape around around 500, around 570 and 570 millimeter approximately for the basic shape. So and then we have to push it up around 300 or maybe around 400 millimeter. Okay, I think it's enough. So and then we can make the simple corner curve here. We can make a simple corner curve here and right here and right here. So then we have to push it down anyway. We can push it down until the limit. Then we can push it down until the limit. Okay, just something like this, and then we have to make it group anyway. And then we can make the top of the chair with a wooden top of the chair right here. And then we have to push it up anyway. We can push it up just a little bit around 38 millimeter. So and then we can place on this position anyway. Place on this position, and then we can throw it. So and then we can place on this position. Okay, so and then we can throw it to make the pattern, to make the playful pattern over there anyway. So and then we have to push it down, and then we have to push it down also, but before of it we have to delete some unnecessary line over there. Okay, and then we can to make it group, and then we can select the wood and we can create it. So and then we can select a concrete in this material. We can use this. Okay, just something like this, and we can also make it group and make component, and we can make the duplication about the um, outdoor chair anyway, and maybe we can make some, and we can make some landscaping in here. We can use landscaping element. We can use landscaping element. Okay, we can choose a ground cover, something like this, and we can set the shadow effect of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and maybe we can make the another shape in here. We can set the grass material over there. Okay, just something like this, and we can set the grass material over there also, and this place, and this place anyway. Okay, and this place also anyway, to make it more greenery. Okay, just something like this. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.